In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily set new color theme on Google Chrome web browser. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, open up Chrome and then click right here at these three dots at the top right corner. After that, head over to Settings. And then if we select You and Google here, we can easily find Customize your Chrome profile. If we click on it, we'll be able to pick a theme color. By default, the first one is selected, which is default color. However, we can select different one from these presets that are listed here. And also, if we click right there, we can select custom color just by dragging this slider left or right. Also, in here, we can pick an avatar for that Chrome profile. And also, in here, we can rename it in that way. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.